This is the Copycat, a handheld, high-resolution color scanner. It's battery-powered and scans to a micro SD card, so you can use it without connecting to a computer. It's great for use in the home, the office, or on the move. It scans any flat surface, including business cards, papers, books, receipts, photos, wallpaper, or fabric. It can collect and store a scan in as little as 2 seconds, and additional software is included that allows you to select and edit scan text. Clever features like real-time distortion compensation software deliver sharp scans every time. Copycat saves to a micro SD card, so you won't need to carry bulky documents or heavy textbooks when you go away. Once you have finished scanning, connect via USB cable or micro SD card, then drag and drop files to your PC, Mac or printer. Save as JPEG, export to Word, PowerPoint, Excel, clipboard or email. Scan and keep news articles, share lecture notes and add your own in Word. The Copycat, handheld, high-resolution, color scanner. Copying has never been easier.